So I got the approval of Mr. Beta, the sentiments of Mr. Koima and Mr. Magara for the big team. Yeah, what I wish to say at this point is that the dignity of the court must be upheld at all times, and that I will forgive counsel for this misconduct, but it's expected, this is something which is expected not to happen again. Because if it happens again, then this court will not hesitate to take action on the spot. The court has done. We proceed.
Second reason is that we pay costs. Expired in court on 14 June 2024. It's favorable my comments. Request we comment that the accused not a flight risk, and there are no compelling reasons as to why the issue might not be released on bond. I would pray that you consider that in the report. And then you note that the accused past application was in custody or slightly under 1 year. Suffering
tunapiga kelele.
Memory, I would just pray that you be pleased to exercise your discretion in favor of the accused and having that will part my learning senior Mr. Benson was present. I don't know whether he is there. Wish to have his support on that application for the police.
Maybe I can just add on, now that this matter is going to start afresh, because the second accused person must have the benefit of knowing what the two witnesses said, and if they intend to recall them. Our fight has always been that we needed to have this matter have a structure. It may not be clear to the court, but from our side and our instructions, we know that this is a matter probably that was not brought to court in good faith. But be as it may,